Hey guys, Paula here. So this is the Dramm Classic Rain Wand. This is the 24-inch length, and what I like about this one is that it comes with a breaker head 400, meaning it has 400 holes in the breaker head. This is made of plastic, and the front is made of metal. These breaker heads are interchangeable on the wands, so if you wanted to switch it out, let's say it accidentally gets run over or something, you can actually purchase another breaker head and then screw it onto the metal wand. It has a foam grip here, which makes it easier to hold on to when you're watering your plants. And what I like best about the foam is that it actually stays cooler than the water hose. When you actually go to try to pick it up, you're not going to burn your hand. It also has a shutoff valve here, which makes it super convenient when watering hanging baskets and containers. You can easily shut it off and on with a single finger here. So let me go ahead and actually turn it on and let's see what this looks like when it's spraying. Okay, so as you can see, when I turn it on here with the single finger, it has a very wide watering spray that actually helps. So when you're watering your plants, it doesn't lay all your plants over when it's watering. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you felt the video was helpful, please hit the thumb below so other people will know to watch this video. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.